If your income stops the moment you stop working, you're not financially free. You're financially fragile. Most people believe working harder will make them rich. But here's the brutal truth. The hardest workers in society are often the poorest. Construction workers, factory workers, delivery drivers. They work harder than CEOs, yet they rarely become wealthy. Why? Because rich people don't just work. They build income machines. Machines that keep producing money while they sleep, while they travel, while they do absolutely nothing. That's called passive income. And in 2026, passive income won't just be an advantage, it will be survival. AI is replacing jobs. Inflation is quietly destroying purchasing power, and the middle class is slowly disappearing. So if you want financial freedom, you need multiple income streams. Today, we'll break down the 10 best passive income streams to start in 2026. Some require money, some require skills, some require almost nothing, but all of them can create income that doesn't depend on your time. Let's begin. Passive income idea number 1. Dividend stocks. The first passive income stream is one of the oldest and most reliable. Dividend stocks. Some companies share a portion of their profits with shareholders, so when you own their stock, they pay you, usually every 3 months. You don't need to work for it, you simply own a piece of the company. For example, if you invest $100,000 in dividend stocks with a 4% dividend yield, you receive about $4,000 per year without doing anything. But the real power isn't just the income, it's compounding. If you reinvest your dividends into more shares, those shares generate more dividends, which buy more shares again. Over time, your money begins working harder than you do. Passive income idea number 2. Digital products. The Internet created one of the most powerful passive income opportunities ever. Digital products. Why are digital products so powerful? Because they have zero inventory. You create the product once and sell it forever. Examples include online courses, ebooks, templates, financial spreadsheets, AI prompt packs. Imagine creating a budgeting template that sells for $19. If 10,000 people buy it, that's $190,000 from a single product. No warehouses, no shipping, just digital leverage. Passive income idea number 3. YouTube channel. YouTube is one of the most powerful passive income engines in the world because videos never stop working. A video uploaded today could still generate income years later. Creators make money through ads, affiliate links, sponsorships, digital products. And here's the interesting part. You don't even need to show your face. Many channels are completely faceless. Scripts are written, voiceovers are recorded, editors assemble the videos. Each video becomes a digital asset that keeps working for you 24 hours a day. Passive income idea number 4, rental real estate. Real estate has created more millionaires than almost any other investment because real estate pays you in multiple ways. First is rental income. Tenants pay rent every month. Second is appreciation. Over time, property values usually increase. Third are tax advantages. Many governments offer tax benefits to property owners. And fourth is mortgage paydown. Tenants are effectively paying off your loan. Eventually, the property becomes fully yours, meaning someone else paid for your asset. Passive income idea number 5. High-yield savings. Saving money used to feel pointless. Interest rates were extremely low. But today, high-yield savings accounts can produce real income. Some accounts offer 4 to 5% interest annually. That means $50,000 could generate about $2,500 per year, doing absolutely nothing. It may not be exciting, but stability is powerful. Not every income stream needs to be risky. Passive income idea number 6, affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is one of the simplest online business models. You recommend a product, someone buys through your link, you earn a commission. For example, a $100 product with a 20% commission earns you $20 per sale. If your content generates 50 sales per day, that's $1,000 per day. And you didn't create the product, you simply connected buyers with sellers. Passive income idea number 7, print on demand. Print on demand allows you to sell products without holding inventory. You create a design, upload it to a platform. When someone buys the product, the company prints and ships it automatically. You earn the profit margin. Popular products include t-shirts, hoodies, mugs, and posters. It's a low-risk way to start an online business. Passive income idea number 8 is micro SaaS. Micro SaaS stands for small software products that solve specific problems. Examples include budgeting apps, productivity tools, AI automation tools, and scheduling software. Most charge monthly subscriptions. If 1,000 users pay $10 per month, that's $10,000 monthly recurring income. Recurring income is powerful because it repeats automatically. Passive income idea number 9 is licensing content. Creative work can generate passive income through licensing. Photographers sell stock photos. Videographers sell stock footage. Musicians sell background music. Companies pay for licenses to use this content. One piece of content can be sold hundreds of times, meaning your creativity keeps producing income for years. Passive income idea number 10 is building a media brand. The most powerful passive income stream today is building a media brand, because attention is the most valuable currency on the internet. If people trust you, you can monetize in many ways: courses, memberships, affiliate partnerships, products, consulting, speaking. A loyal audience becomes the foundation for many income streams. Here is the truth about passive income. It isn't passive in the beginning. You must build the system first. Work hard once so the system can work forever. Because relying on one job is risky, but building multiple income streams creates financial security. Start with one, master it, then add another. Over time, your money begins working harder than you do. If you found this video valuable, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more content about money, investing, and financial freedom.